Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So those of you are new here, hey, my name is Kashan and I'll be really happy if you hit the subscribe button for me. So welcome back to my channel guys. So for today's video, I'll be showing my wide leg jeans collection which I have collected over the time. All these are from different websites. I ordered them from Zara, Urbanic, Off Duty, Frickins Instagram page, and some of them are from Sarojini. So I thought why not to share it with you guys. It may help you to get your perfect fit wide leg, and you can check my size. I'm in size 28 for all of these. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. And before jumping it, do hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and share this video, like this video, do all these kinds of jazz, and I'll start. So the first wide leg I'll be showing is from Off Duty, and one of my favorite is the I'm not even to show properly here. This is the wide leg. You can see this. I ordered this quite a while back now, about a month, and I wore it like 100 times. Just kidding, not 100 times, but still I have worn it so many times. Now what attracted me to this jeans was this fit. मैंने जितनी भी जीन्स में देखा था, ये सिर्फ मुझे Zara में अवेलेबल लग रही थी, but that was for ₹3600 and I was very skeptical to invest so much on a denim. And then I saw a Off Duty one and I was like, dude, I want this, and I ordered this, and you can clearly see how amazing this look. This is perfectly high waist jeans. I'm in the size 28 for this one, so if you are just like me, I suggest you to just take a 28 size in this, and you can see how amazing this fit looks. The length is amazing. I am 5'4" and I haven't worn any heel with this right now. You can wear your shoes, white shoes, sneakers, heels, whatever you want to do, and that look perfectly amazing. Now come to the price. This was for ₹2000. Actually 2100. They cost ₹100 for shipping. So all in all, this cost me for ₹2000 or 2100, whatever like. So this is the my favorite wide leg till now. Coming to another wide leg I got. This one's from Urbanic. Now look at the color. जो लोग मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आई डेफिनेटली लोग उन्होंने जरूर ये दोनों देखेंगे, बिकॉज आई एम obsessed, like literally obsessed with these two. Now this is also a perfect wide leg jean. It was also in the size 28. You can order your size medium. I ordered this medium one. I completely love this. The material is so soft. This is cotton. What attracted to me for this jeans was this tie and dye. I literally now die for colors. I need colors, all and all colors. So this was my second favorite wide leg. You can clearly see how amazing it fit to me. This is completely high waist. This doesn't touch the floor so much. You can wear your heels, sneakers, white shoes, whatever you want to wear this. You can completely just pull it off with a colorful top, black top, white top. I wore it with a white tube and I completely love that look. So this was pretty amazing deal. Now come to the price. I bought this for ₹1450. A month back I have ordered at the same time the Off Duty one and the Urbanic one. So this was for ₹1450, which is a pretty good deal. The material is so soft. In this hilarious summer, you can completely go for this and feel super comfy, like yeah. So I suggest you to buy this one. Third jeans will be a carrot jean, a loose fit carrot jean. This one is this. This is the perfect blue shade. Now I too love this jeans. This is from the brand Frickins. I'll be mentioning here and in the description box. You can completely check it out here. So what I love now, I love some things about this jeans and hate too. I ordered this size 30 around a while back and now I'm in size 28. So yeah, I ordered in the size 28 and I have to altered it, but still मुझे लगता है इसको फिट कराने के बाद इसका वो फिट नहीं रहा. And about the material, I wouldn't say A1 material just like the Urbanic one or the off-duty one. No, it is like को पहनने के बाद it slightly get loosen up, which is a good thing if you want a baggy look because it is a carrot jeans. But still it get more of this like थोड़ा लटका लटका टाइप लगता है. एंड दिस कॉस्ट मी फॉर ₹1100 एंड इसमें आई डोंट नो इसका करंट रेट क्या है, बट आई गॉट दिस फॉर 1100. आई एम लिंकिंग इन हियर. So this looks amazing. They do have different colors in this: light blue shade, a wash blue, and an ink blue shade. This was the denim blue and I completely love this one. Length is amazing. I am 5'4" and this completely fits me, doesn't touch the floor. If you are below the 5'4", it might get, you know, touch the floor, but it completely goes well. And this was pretty good. The next wide leg I'll be showing is by Sarojini Nagar. I don't know कि मैंने कभी सरोजनी हॉल में दिखाई हुई है, I guess. So this one is the wide leg I got from Sarojini Nagar. This was my first wide leg. मतलब I wanted to try wide leg on me. तो मैं सबसे पहले सरोजनी से लेकर आई थी and I was like I should try this. यहाँ से पहले if I like them I'll order this from a brand and that's what I do. So this was, अब सरोजनी में मुझे नहीं पता साइज, आपको खुद ही देखना पड़ेगा. मैं कैसे ऐसे ना ऐसे आई चेक दैट. सो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी मिलती है एंड ये तो मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले ली थी, बट करंटली सरोजनी में इतनी अमेजिंग वाइड लेग्स मिल रही है. आई सजेस्ट यू टू गो एंड गोइंग टू सरोजनी इन फ्यू डेज. सो do stay by here. I'll be showing the Sarojini haul very soon, the next video maybe. So yeah, this is the wide leg. Now I got this for rupees I guess 250. या इस 250 से ऊपर मैंने सरोजनी से कुछ लेती नहीं. मैं मेरा मैक्स प्राइस होता है फॉर सरोजनी 250 डूड. इससे ऊपर मैंने अपने पैसे देने ही नहीं. So this was the length of the jeans is like literally above my ankles, which sometimes look good and sometimes I don't feel. I prefer the wide leg or any loose fit jeans to cover my ankles, even slight of my shoes. So I like it that way. So this fit looks this. You can pair it with any color. The back is like this. This is from the brand Steel Era, whatever this is. So this is the wide leg. Another wide leg, or I'll say bell bottom, my smartest pant, which I wore like literally 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 times, is this. I got it from Zara few time back. This is amazing fit. You can easily find a substitute of this on Myntra, Ajio, H&M, Zara, everywhere, and even on the Urbanic site you can find this, which is completely classy. That goes with everything: a t-shirt, a crop top, anything. Rock these with shoes, heels, whatever and what not. This looks super amazing. I'm dying to, you know, get a white color in this, and I'm like, if you got a black pant, your life is sorted, dude. I'm telling you. About the price, I don't even remember for how much I got this. I'll try to find and link it here. So next would be the neon pants. Now this is also my favorite wide leg. You can clearly see I'm obsessed with wide leg, and I'm soon getting more colors in wide leg. Different blues, more lavender color. I'm obsessed with lavender and many more colors just waiting. Actually मैं रुक रही हूँ कि यार कहीं जाना नहीं है तो फिर क्यों मंगवाना, right? But soon I'll be buying those. So this one I got from Sarojini. I know. This was super amazing deal. ये मैंने आई गेस उन्होंने मुझे 200 की बोलती है ना. I was like भैया 150 and he was like no मैं नहीं दे रहा हूँ. उन्होंने मेरे को बुलाया भी नहीं वापस. मैं वापस गई. मैंने कहा 200 भी दे दो. ना मेरे फ्रेंड बोले कशिश इतना भी कुछ अच्छा है. तो मैंने कहा डूड उनको तो एक कलर जैसे लगता है कि ऐसे कलर ये सिर्फ कशिश के लिए बने हैं. बट नो, मैं इतनी भी ज़्यादा न्यूऑन शेड्स की फ़ैन नहीं हूँ. बट स्टिल दिस denim not a pant has my heart. The fit is super amazing. You can clearly see that it doesn't touch the floor. You can wear sneakers, heel, whatever, and rock these with white top, black top, whatever color if you can. So I completely loved this one, and this was also in the size 28 because that doesn't get loose. So these were all the wide leg collection I have. I'll be mentioning the similar products from Myntra, Ajio, because I recently saw there, so this will help you, and you can get the amazing fit from these brands. Off Duty is A1, Urbanic is A, Freakins I'll say B, slightly B, not completely, A2 and B types, and Sarojini Gear तो it's like a luck, but wide leg में आपको ज़रूर अच्छी कलेक्शन मिल जाएगी, and मिलेगी भी क्योंकि मैं जा रही हूँ, next haul मेरा वही होगा. So this was all about my jeans. Like this video if you found anything useful out of this, and subscribe to my channel below. Share this video as much as you can. Like this video, and do comment down what I can do for you which might help you in any ways. So till then, take care, bye.